Whether it's for a medical appointment, a service, or a reservation at a restaurant, being able to book appointments and make reservations is an essential skill. Here's how you can communicate effectively in these situations. Booking medical or service appointments. Requesting an appointment. I would like to book an appointment for a dental checkup, please. Is there an available slot for a routine cleaning on Monday, May 6th? Specifying preferences. I prefer a morning appointment if possible. Can I see Dr. Kashif, please? I've been to them before. Asking about duration and cost. How long does the appointment usually take? Could you tell me how much the consultation will cost? Confirming the appointment. Can you confirm the date and time, please? Do I need to bring anything with me? Making restaurant reservations. Making the reservation. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at 7:30 p.m. Do you have any availability for dinner on Friday, May 3rd? Special requests. Could we have a table by the window? I'd like to request a vegan menu, please. Confirming the reservation. Can I have a confirmation for my booking? Could you send me the reservation details by email? Booking hotel rooms. Inquiring about availability. Do you have any rooms available for the weekend of June 15th to June 17th? I'm looking for a double room for 2 nights. Discussing rates and amenities. What is the rate per night? Does the room come with complimentary Wi-Fi? Special requirements. I need a room with accessibility features. Can I request an early check-in? General phrases for all bookings. Asking for clarifications. Could you please repeat that? Canceling or changing. I need to change my reservation. Is that possible? Thanking for assistance. Thank you for your help with this. Practice scenario. Imagine you need to book a table at a restaurant. You could say, "Hello? I'd like to reserve a table for 4 people at 7 p.m. this Saturday. Could we have a table outside, please?" Booking appointments and making reservations require clear communication of your needs and preferences. With practice, you'll become more comfortable with these interactions. Happy booking!